Welcome back, and for today, gagawa kami ng isang dessert, which is cheesecake. Chef, ano ang kakaiba sa cheesecake na gagawin natin?
Kasi yung cheesecake natin ngayon with kalabasa,
Which is very healthy. Okay, Chef, we have here cream cheese. Ang gagawin natin sa cream cheese? We're going to whisk it or whip it para maging creamy. For this recipe, you can use your standing mixer, but if you don't have, you can use your kitchen equipment, or of course, with me is Chef Julius. To assist us with our recipes. Yeah. Once na cream cheese, we can add now the sweetener. For this recipe, it calls for condensed milk. If you don't like condensed milk, or if you don't, kung meron kang ibang preference, you can use brown sugar. Others, they use honey, white sugar. Or to give it a bit of a twist, you can use maple syrup. Iba, they use molasses then. If you want it a bit dark and very strong and natural taste naman. The next, Chef, is ating pumpkin. Yung ating pumpkin has been mashed. So ito pinakuluan hanggang sa maging tender and mashed. Add in our whipped cream. Others, they prefer putting or adding gelatin sa akin nilang cheesecake mixture. You can. Yung iba naman, they add egg yolks, but you have to bake it. Pwedeng chilled, pwedeng baked. It's up to you. So this will be the chilled cheesecake version natin. And then lastly, we can add in the powdered moringa. You can use fresh one. It's up to you. Or you can use yung ating ready-made na moringa, which is readily available sa mga markets. Okay, ito na. So natapos na, we have some ready-made here na mixture. And then habang ginagawa natin, or habang yung ready-made mixture, gumawa na kami dito ng graham cracker crust. Graham cracker crust is just made of crushed graham crackers, melted butter, and yung ating sugar. And then this has been pre-baked. If you don't want to bake it, pwedeng just plain graham. Very straight na. So this one, we're going to put this sa chiller. Then after putting it sa ref, ito na yung ating chilled na pumpkin cheesecake. Of course, para mas maging maganda and masarap, we're going to garnish it with some whipped cream and added moringa powder. Chef? Our Kalabasa cheesecake. Indulgence is now available at Food Panda. This is our Waterfront Airport Hotel decadent dessert line. Chef, ano sasabi mo?
Stay safe and stay healthy.
Because we at Waterfront, you always come first.